Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a beef wrap from scratch. Let's begin. Sift in flour into a mixing bowl. Add salt. Baking powder is optional. I did not add it. Then gradually add water and knead the dough. Add oil and continue kneading. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Sprinkle flour on a clean flat surface, then place the sticky dough on it. Make a ball as you coat the dough with flour. Your dough should look something like this. Put it back in a bowl, then cover it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then take it out of the bowl and make a ball again. Portion it into sizes of choice. Once portioned, roll the cut pieces into round balls. A warm welcome to those who are new on this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Now roll them flat. You may use a rolling pin, a bottle, or anything that could help you to roll. A big thank you to my Easy family for your continued support. Thank you so much, my faves. You may cut them around as I am showing, but it doesn't matter even if they are not. To keep that round shape, you might have to add more flour and they will look more dry. Place cut pieces of baking paper between each wrap to avoid them sticking together. Or roll them as you cook them. Please press the like button to help circulate this video to a larger audience. Heat the pan if you're using this kind of skillet, and once you have placed the wrap, wait for it to start moving freely when you use a spatula, then turn it over. Cook it on medium to low heat. Repeat the process until they are all done. One thing I forgot to mention, especially for a beginner, the wrap will have bubbles. Don't worry, keep turning them over and over until they are done. Another thing to note, the intensity of heat is not the same in a pan, so keep moving the pan around. The more you are cooking, reduce the heat to low so they do not burn. Here we are. Let's go and make filling. I'm using the same skillet. Heat oil, then add minced meat or ground beef. Separate it as you brown it without stirring much. We want it to caramelize at the bottom, so stirring too much will avoid that. Once the water evaporates, sprinkle salt and pepper, then add thyme and stir. Add chopped onion, and oregano or any herbs of choice that you use. Add your spices. I've used smoked paprika and garlic powder. Add green pepper or any bell peppers of choice and stir. Add some sauce to avoid dryness. I've added barbecue sauce and or sweet chili. Just make it nice to your taste. Once cooked, after 8 to 10 minutes, take it off the heat. Grate mozzarella cheese or any cheese of choice. If you don't like cheese, you may skip this step. Let's assemble our wrap. Put minced meat on the wrap, then add cheese. Do not put too much, otherwise it will be difficult to fold it. You may add lettuce, which is optional, then start folding to close it. Say I've added too much filling and I had to reduce it. Please do not forget to press the like button and leave a comment below regarding this recipe. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.